Hazrat Abdullah bin Yazid reports, we along with Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu went out to Makkah Mukarramah. Then we reached Muzdalifah, performed 2 prayers, pronounced the call to prayer and congregation for each one, and had supper in between both of them. Then when the day dawned and it was Fajr, he performed the Fajr prayer. Someone said that the morning had dawned and the other said it had not dawned yet. Thereafter he said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, both these prayers, the Maghrib and the Isha, have been removed from their actual time. So people should not come to Muzdalifah till it gets dark, and the Fajr prayer is performed at this time. Then he kept on standing till the light spread. Then he said, if the believer's emir sets out at this time, he will find the Prophet's practice. I do not know whether he passed these remarks before or after Hazrat Usman's departure. He continued saying Talbiyah till he stoned the Jamra Aqaba on the day of sacrifice. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1683.